my name is Lalita Bes. Welcome to my channel. So today we'll talk about venous of heart. So venous of heart or venous drainage of heart. So this topic is related to the blood supply of heart. If you know the blood supply of heart, this is very easy. This is the same branch of venous of heart. So if the venous of heart has a second priority, and first you should know the artery supply of heart and then learn venous drainage of heart. So in this video we'll talk about only theory part of venous drainage of heart. There are three veins which drain into the right atrium. Let's write it. Three vein. First is, this is vein. It has a three vein. We'll study only theory part today. So first one is coronary sinus. Second one is anterior cortex vein. Anterior cortex vein. Third one is vein cortex minimi. Coronary sinus, anterior cardiac vein, and third one is venous cortex minimi. So coronary sinus. The coronary sinus is largest vein of the heart. This is largest vein of the heart, and it has seven tributary. It has seven tributary, and I have made very simple with mnemonics. We'll see afterwards. So it is very largest largest vein of the heart, and then it is situated in the left posterior coronary sinus. It is situated in the left posterior coronary sinus. So we'll talk about next video on how to diagram it, and if you know diagram, so it is very easy. This theory part is very easy. First let me see today theory part. Next class we'll see about diagram part. Okay, and it is the largest vein of the heart. It is situated in the left posterior. It is situated in the left side, and where posterior side, left and posterior side, and it is about how many long? It is how many centimeter long? It is about 3 centimeter long. This coronary sinus is 3 centimeter long, and then we'll see 7 tributaries. We'll see for 7 tributaries. Then we'll go further. I have made the easy way to remember 7 tributaries of coronary sinus. That is GMSLRPO. That is full form. Mnemonics are the great man say. Great man say, leave rich people out. What great man say? Great man say, it say that leave the rich people out. Let me write. See, I have written here, great man say, leave rich people out. And what is the meaning of that? A simple way. G for in coronary sinus. G for great. G for great. M for middle. Middle. S for small. Great, middle, small. These all are cardiac vein. Cardiac vein. Great cardiac vein, medial cardiac vein, small cardiac vein. L for left, left. R for right, left, right, marginal vein. See, these all branches of artery, right? You should know the blood supply. Marginal vein. Left, right, marginal vein. P for posterior. P for posterior vein of ventricle. And O for oblique. Vein of atrium. See, very simple. We should know the mnemonics, only this mnemonics, and recite is very simple. The great, medial, small cardiac vein, left, right, marginal vein, posterior vein of ventricle, your PV and OA. PV and OA. P means ventricle, posterior vein of ventricle, and oblique vein of atrium. So it's very easy. We have studied about the veins of heart. There are three veins: coronary sinus and anterior cardiac vein, and then venous cortex minimi. Okay, and under that, coronary sinus is the largest vein which supply the coronary side, and then it gives the seven branches, seven tributaries. Seven tributaries with the I have set the mnemonics. See, this is the mnemonics of 7. It's very easy. If you know this mnemonics, automatically you will know this. And then next class we'll see about diagrammatic, how this is diagrammatic representations of this all 7 tributaries with these 3 veins. Okay, next class with the easy way of diagram. So thank you for watching, and like and subscribe please.